I try to get these tail lights all working, and gonna guess that this one's bad. Yeah, it's just an educated guess. I know back in the 90s, I replaced a lot of these. Well, maybe we only did one side, because these look original. On the other side, there's white ones. On this side, we got the black sockets, and they got little things to hold them in there. They squeeze things. Back here on the passenger side, we got white ones, and those will squeeze things to hold them in there, so you basically fall out. And I don't know if that might be the issue. I might get some ones that have little things to hold them in there. Might be helpful. It's this little toolbox in here from high school. Needle nose pliers ain't opening. There's some good stuff in here. Bunch of mouse crap in here from when I lived in West Point. And the mice got into this a little bit. Luckily didn't chew up any wires that I know of. There goes a psychopath on a motorcycle. I wish the cops would catch that guy. He's gonna end up hurting somebody and killing himself. But anyway, I gotta figure out how to get this bulb base out of this thing now. Those needle nose pliers would be pretty helpful for that. But we'll go in the garage and see if we can find something. You know, I had needle nose vice grips that might work, but I'm not altogether sure that those weren't in the PT Cruiser that guy stole, James Hobb stole from me. James Hobb, yeah, that's his name. And we're gonna find him someday. But let's take a look in the truck here. Maybe they're in here. I don't see him in here. I'll try an old pair of pliers to get those out. I don't think that's gonna work too well. I don't know. Do what we can, I guess. Well, I got it out of there. We'll see if we can get that cleaned up at all. Man, that is some crusty stuff in there. To clean up the contact here. Clean up those contacts in the base. I don't know if I have any of the right light bulbs. But might have some laying around. Every time we buy a car, we find light bulbs in it, so maybe one of those will work. Honestly, what I think what happened was we went to the parts store to get some of these, and they only had two. And I said, or three maybe. I got the reverse up, three, because the reverse light on the passenger side's changed. And they said, and we thought, we'll just do the rest of them later. And later never came. Let's see if I got any bulbs in the garage. Oh, what's this down here? Yeah, that's one of the old ones. Well, that's in better shape than this one I'm trying to fix. Man, this doesn't work. I'll swap that one out for this old one. Yeah, I'll probably order some because I don't think these are going to work that well. But I'll check online tonight, see what it's like. And of course it appears don't have any of the bulbs. I got all these flat ones. But the ones in there are round ones, so I guess I'll run out to Walmart, and maybe out there I'll get a couple emery boards too, because that would probably work a little better than sticking my finger in there with a piece of sandpaper on it, because I can't get in there with these fat fingers. So I'll head out there, see what we can find. GE 1157, remember that, will you? Walmart doesn't have a great selection of car stuff anymore. We'll run out there because it'll be $2.50 there, and it'll be $7 at the parts store. But if they don't have it out there, I'll have to hit the old parts store and pay that difference. Turn that down so I can talk to you. Yeah, I might not. talk to you too long. Man, I tell you what, I am worn out. Didn't really do a whole lot today. It's Sunday, that's kind of my slow day at work. I go in an hour early, but leave like 2 hours early for a normal day, so it's not that big of a deal. But still, man, I don't know. Weird dreams last night. I had a dream that I was some factory type place, and started hearing this pounding, and tried to tell everybody around me that someone's stuck somewhere. We gotta find him. Gotta find him. Never did find him, and eventually the pounding stopped, and I woke up. So I was wondering today if someone was pounding on my door last night or something, and I didn't find anything, any notes or anything today, so I don't know. Nothing was burned down. Got me. Anyway, on my way to Walmart. GE 1157. Really didn't want to come out here because not only is my Corona money running out, but man, I was out here yesterday or the day before, and it was just a nightmare. It's so crowded all the time with them closing at like 8 or something, and the lady in front of me, her card was denied, and then she went to the ATM and couldn't get money out of the ATM. Then she had to call the bank and transfer money, and it's just too much anxiety, and the markings on the floor for the one-ways. Nobody pays any attention, but I just get anxious when I go down the wrong way. But GE 1157. Okay, something I don't understand. They got these light bulbs in a locked case now. I mean, I can't get my own light bulbs. If you don't want to hire enough people, that's your own business, but don't worry about stealing light bulbs. They're $4.50 here, by the way. I thought they were like $2.50. They'd still be like $7 at the parts store, so... Anyway, they hand me the light bulbs, so I can't just like walk around and shove them in my pocket now, you know? They're gonna follow me to the front for my $4 light bulbs. I kind of doubt that. Anyway, I am going to get me a little something for after the job here. Well, I decided to pay for my light bulbs, you know, so teaching them a lesson about how stupid their little lock cabinet is. And I didn't really need 10 dozen emery boards, but it's apparently the only way they come. I could go over to Dollar Tree across the way and probably get 2 for $1 or something. But Walmart had them for a gross for $1.77, so save me wanting more stock. What time is it anyway? Come on. 10:27. I kind of doubt that. Come on. 10:27 Greenwich Mean Time. And 5:27 local. I've already been messing around with this for an hour. Ooh, man, I thought that car was backing into me. I don't know. Not in a great mood today, I guess. And Walmart always makes that worse. But where else are you gonna go? I mean, I go to the farm store a lot for stuff, but the farm store is not gonna have emery boards. And damn it, I forgot toilet bowl cleaner again. It's the third time I've been out here and forgotten it. It reminded me because the farm store didn't have the little drop tabs you put in the toilet bowl either. They were out of something else I needed out here. Well, they had one left, but it was all cracked up and busted, so I'm not gonna buy that. Head back home here. Mess around with this for another half an hour maybe. Go put a burger in the old air fryer. And I got me some potato chips because I'm trying to lose weight. And I hear that's the best way to do that, is eat an entire bag of chips in one setting. So we'll test that theory out. There's Bex, her mod. Good pop there, as you know. I mean, you guys have probably turned this video off by now, but if you haven't, I appreciate it, because it's kind of a different one. Not a lot of actual work going on, just kind of driving around, but you know, when you gotta go to Walmart, I'm gonna film it, because what else are you gonna do? Anyway, I'm gonna look up those taillight sockets maybe, online and see how much they are. All this stuff for these old cars is just ridiculous. I want to get the interior kit. It's $2,500. It does come with a lot, I guess. Even one of them I saw comes with insulation and sound dampener for the floor. So when I get that floor all fixed up, I can just glue that down on there, and then it doesn't really matter what the job looked like under it. And Jeff suggested some POR 15 to go under the car, so yeah, maybe I'll do that. Find myself a lift or something to do that. I think our friend Bill might have a lift out there at his shop. We use his tire machine here and there, put tires on, which we'll be doing if I ever get the wheels for this Impala. Home sweet home. She is. I'll grind on this for a little bit longer and go in, have a bite to eat, and then sit on the porch with my refreshing beverage that I had to wait at the self-checkout because everybody in the normal lines was buying the entire store. I mean, just carts. Some people had 2 carts just piled with stuff. I don't know. I don't get it. Maybe they just smarter than me and only have to go to Walmart once every 2 months, but I mean, I just can't go into Walmart and spend $500 on groceries. I don't know. I don't know how people do it. Yeah, well, let's get back to this job, huh? So I came in and opened the fridge, and there wasn't a light on in there. I'm like, you got to be kidding me. Light bulb day, huh? But then I looked at the old stove here, and no clock on there, so the electricity must be out. So might as well be outside messing with that stuff, I guess. Huh? My chips already opened, out of the way. Got my metric ton of emery boards. Yeah! My light bulb. See if we can do anything out here. Oh, there's a bad feeling when your power's out and your phone's down to 10%. No question on. This one is not nearly as bad as that one on the side, so maybe I will just replace it with that other one. I clean that up pretty good. The bulb in here looked like it was bad, so we'll sand on this a little bit and put it back in and try to see what we got as far as tail lights. Okay, I did notice that this one has 2 grounds on it. The one over in the corner there must have one of them busted off, as this one I found laying in there also has one busted off. So I don't know how well that worked with one ground on there, so I probably really will have to end up ordering a couple. And maybe I'm going to try to order all of them with the little tabs to hold them in there, because these ones on the passenger side just fall out. That's not how it's supposed to be. Well, Meatloaf said 2 out of 3 ain't bad, but I think 3 out of 4 ain't bad. That one there on the end on the driver's side so corroded in there that I didn't really have much holdout that it would work anyway. Maybe I can get a Dremel down in there and clean up the connections. It might work, but I think the easiest thing would probably be to just order a new socket for it and put it in there. But at least people can see that I'm stopping now, and that's a good thing. I didn't start the car and see what it looked like on that, but I'll wait till I have some help to do that. Well, that's all for today. I'm gonna sit here and probably like set my truck and charge my phone, listen to some music or something, and hopefully there's no outages listed on the outage map. So I don't know if it's just me. There's all kinds of Wi-Fi connections around here still on. I'm fairly certain I paid my bill, but there's always a chance I didn't. So hopefully they call me back and let me know what's going on. But thanks for watching, and thanks for listening to me complain quite a bit today. I don't know, just bad mood, aggravated, but maybe we got something accomplished. If you want to subscribe, just hit the subscribe button down there. All kinds of stuff to do on this Impala, and always stuff to do on the other two things. So we'll keep it rolling, keep it watching. Thanks, bye.